Search function searches for an integer x within a sorted vector using interpolation search, which estimates the position of x based on the range of value. Parameters: vec, a sorted vector of integers, x, the x integer to search for. The algorithm calculates a probe position based on the difference in between x vec low and vec high. It adjusts low and high according to whether x is less than or greater than the value at pos. If x is found, it returns the position pos. If not, it returns -1. The main function initializes a vector result that contains values in a sequence. Each value is I multiply max iteration for I from 0 to 15, resulting in the vector 0, 15, 30, etc. The purpose prompts the user to input 3 integers to search within result. It stores these 3 integers in the input numbers vector. Search and output result searches each input integer in the vector result and prints whether each integer was found. Logic calls interpolation search for each integer in input numbers. Print index if found, otherwise it notifies the user that integer is not in the vector. The final output stimulates an ending message and signals that the program ran successfully.